Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you some grocery shopping hacks. Things that will save you not only time, but stress and money. So let's get started. So friends, before we even get started going to the grocery store, there's some things that we can do to really help with saving that time, money, and that stress. So one is to, we all know, never go to the grocery store hungry. Eat before you go. If you do not, you may end up buying way more than you anticipated, and maybe not even the healthiest things. Some of you have seen my grocery hauls when I have not adhered to this myself. So just grab you something, even if it's small, before you go to the grocery store. Another thing that is a given that I want to go ahead and get out of the way is meal planning. I'm always talking about meal planning. And so this is key because I notice when I don't meal plan, I spend more money, I'm not prepared, it's more stress of trying to figure out what to eat during the week. So by simply meal planning, you can really save yourself a lot of time, a lot of stress, and even money. If you want my meal planning sheet, go to my website, AtHomeWithNikki.com, get on my email list, and it's a free download when everyone joins my email list. Also, it's available in my printable section on my website. But regardless, have some type of meal planning system along with your shopping list. And when you do your shopping list, you want to arrange it kind of how you shop this and how the store is set up, because this will make it easier as you're shopping because you have everything kind of in a systematic way. My next tip, friends, is to always be prepared. And there's some things on the market that can really help you have a better experience when you grocery shop. And a lot of times if you're taking your kids and multiple kids, it can be stressful trying to keep them in line and see what's on sale and different things like that. But one thing you can do is set up your cart so it functions beautifully for you. So they have these stands which are great that you can put on your cart, and that way you can put your phone with your calculator along with a pen and your shopping list, and it makes you hands-free, so that's really convenient. Along with your shopping bags, they have shopping bags that are specifically made for shopping carts so that, number one, they come in different colors also, that you can categorize your groceries as you shop, and then when you put them on the counter to pay for them, you put them right back into your bag so that you can take them to your car and easily transport your groceries. And if you're interested, anything that I mentioned in the video that I can put in the description box below, I'll put the links below. Understand how grocery stores market to us, because they want us to spend our money. They want us to stay in the store. The longer you stay in the store, the better chance it is that you're going to spend more money. Do you ever notice when you walk into the grocery store, they always guide you to the right? And the reason why is because they're catering to what the majority of us are, right-handed. When you shop from your right, you tend to grab things more because it's a natural feel. So I encourage you, when you go into the grocery store, although they gear you to the right, you gear to the left if you're right-handed, because then you will tend to grab less, because if you're not left-handed, you'll tend not to grab as much as if you were kind of going in the direction of the right hand. Another way that grocery stores market to us is with the music. If you ever go in a grocery store, you notice that the music is very soothing, it's relaxing, and it's often not fast, because they want you to take your time and scroll the aisles, because when you do that, you're looking more and you're spending more. What you can do to combat this is put in your own headphones as you're shopping and put in your nice 80s upbeat music, what you love, so that you can have a faster pace as you shop and really get through the store and spend less money. Another trick that grocery stores do is you will notice around the perimeter of your grocery store are things like the deli and the produce and things like that. That's because they're trying to suck you into the center of the store, because that's where all of the processed foods are and the bulk of the things that they're really trying to get into your cart. Another tip, friends, is to understand when the best times to grocery shop. Sundays are not ideal. Everyone is trying to get their groceries for the week. They're coming to the grocery store after church, and it can tend to be more crowded. The ideal times to go are basically in the evening times during the week or early mornings. So finding the right time can really reduce your stress and give you a better experience when you're trying to grocery shop. Another tip, friends, is do not get tricked by the sale signs. A lot of times you're going down the aisles and you'll see that sale sign, but always shop the other items around that sign, because you might find the same type of product that is not on sale, but it's actually more budget friendly. So don't get sucked in by seeing the sale sign. Actually do a comparison to make sure that you're truly getting the best deal. And also, friends, when you're setting up your shopping list, make sure to put your things like your meats and your milk and dairy last, because you don't want to put those in the cart first and then you're spending additional time shopping the other items, and it's more time that those types of foods are out of their traditional environment. And next, friends, it is online grocery shopping. You all know that I love to buy my groceries online, and that's how I tend to do it. And why is because it keeps me from seeing all of the extras. You know, you don't tend to see the extra things as you're kind of strolling the aisles and putting them in your cart. Along with it helps me be more structured because I have a list and I can just go punch in my things and put them on the list. And a lot of times with online grocery shopping, they let you kind of preset it up, and that way you can do it ahead of time and just have it set for pickup or set for delivery. Along with, you can repeat your list. So it's not like you're always having to do a shopping list. You can tweak it, and it just kind of makes things more seamless. And I know not everyone has availability in their area. You know, online grocery shopping is becoming more popular, but it's not quite everywhere yet. So I am glad that I was able to share not only tips for online grocery, but also for if going into the grocery store. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed my grocery hack tips today. If you have any questions, let me know. I would like to know, where do you like to grocery shop? What is your go-to grocery store? As for me, my favorite is Harris Teeter. I love Harris Teeter. And I also go to like Publix and Lowe's. I like those too. So between those three, those are kind of my go-to grocery shops. So let me know in the comments what you like. I also want to remind you that my book, Beautifully Organized, is available for pre-order. So many of you have got the book and I'm so excited about it. And if you haven't got the book, I'll put the link to Amazon.com and BarnesandNoble.com below where you can get the book and go ahead and pre-order. It releases on April 2nd and I can't wait. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.